Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to talk about search function and see how we can find a substring within a string. So let's talk about the search function in theoretical way. So what exactly the search function do? So the search function is very similar to find in that it's also returned the location of a substring in a text string, and this search function syntax and arguments are also very similar to this find function which we have discussed in our previous videos. So this search function is somewhat like or similar to find function, but unlike find function, this search function is case insensitive. So this find function in Excel is case sensitive, while this search function is case insensitive. This means that if you have given argument in capital or small, it doesn't matter, and it will allow the wildcard also. This search function allows the wildcard searching also. So this search function accepts wildcard in the find text argument, while in find you were unable to use this wildcard searching. So let's go and see the example in this video. So what we have to do is that we have to find that whether any of the customer is present in Delhi or not. So we have the delivery address and we have to find out if this customer is from Delhi or not. So we can simply do is that we can write equal to search, and the first argument that search is asking for the find text. So this argument states that you have to put the text which you are searching for. So I'm searching for Delhi. Okay, now the second argument in the search is that within text, from where do you want to search, or where do you want to search this word Delhi or this substring Delhi. So we have our address in cell B6, so I'll use B6, and then it's asking me the start number. From where do you want to start searching? So I'll put 1. Now if I close this bracket and press enter, you will see that okay, Delhi is present there, and it starts at 21st index or 21st location. Now if you count from this lane L till comma and this white till comma, you will see that there are 20 characters, and at this Delhi, D of Delhi starts at 21st location. Now if I drag this formula, you will see that wherever Delhi is present there, you will get the number, while if Delhi is not present there, then it will give you a value. And when you see that this value used in the formula Delhi is not present in this address, that's why it's giving us hash value. So the output is that if the search function gives you a numeric output, this means that it is giving you the location of the substring which you have searched for, and if it's giving you hash value, this means that the substring which you are searching within the string is not present there. So this is how basically you use the search function in Excel to find the substring within a text string. Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.